Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Yazio and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.